Hi B, time check. It's 1:33 and I'm drinking na. I have in my RH and my pollutant. This is french fries and nagsisimula sa letter T. Tacos. There you go. And this is Joe Fran. This is my favorite hot sauce. This is so good. This is so delicious. Ayun. Tapos, di na nga, mag-ano ako, mag-G na ako kasi dapat mga around 3:30 or 3:30 or ano ba? 3:30, 4 o'clock, tulog na ako. Yan. We put hot sauce here. Yan. There. We put madami kasi walang sili at saka ano ba? Blocking. Wala tong sili at saka sibuyas kasi it's expensive. So, I'll show you how to eat this. God. Look at so good. Diba? Bakit ka lalabas? At pagbabayad ka ng mahal, kaya mo naman gawin kabahay. And with that, tampay, I'm watching Forgotten Love dito sa Netflix. It's a very, very good story. Super ganda. Panoorin nyo. And dito muna ako. And again, I have my RH. For Sunday. And magtakas. Una muna ako. And dito muna ako. And I love you. Tara na. Bye.